where speed is engineered and precision is born.
It begins with strands stronger than steel.
Precision begins at the smallest millimeter.
Every fiber is checked before it becomes speed.
Control demands absolute precision.
Layer by layer, strength is engineered.
Under heat and pressure, raw carbon transforms.
Air is removed. Density is perfected. From mold emerges the skeleton of speed. Perfection is measured in microns. Every surface must feel as fast as it rides.
Design meets performance. Endurance is engineered into every fiber. Protection meets brilliance. Heat seals the identity of speed. Flawless, or it never leaves. Transcription, a mark of engineered excellence.
Balance is built spoke by spoke.
Strength is carved from solid metal.
Nothing leaves without approval.
Perfect alignment creates perfect motion.
Power begins at the core. Technology sharpens every shift. Control meets design.
Now, the machine becomes a masterpiece.
Even the smallest tension shapes the ride.
Steering precision defines control. Transcription. Stopping power must match speed. Lightweight strength meets the road.
Certified for the pursuit of speed. Efficiency is measured in watts.
At the heart of motion lies frictionless power. Comfort meets aerodynamic intent.
From parts and precision, a machine of speed is born. Strength is proven under pressure.
Even the unexpected is anticipated.
Lightweight must never mean fragile. Control defines confidence.
Technology disappears inside the design. Milliseconds matter at speed.
Every rotation begins here.
Air is the invisible opponent. Every curve is shaped for silence in the wind.
Power is transferred link by link.
Precision shifting, engineered for milliseconds.
Perfection is in the finish. Speed demands lightweight precision. Every surface is protected. Prepared for the journey ahead. A perfect fit, even in rest.
The journey truly begins now. Where performance meets passion.
Perfection is achieved through iteration.
Power awakens.
Milliseconds define momentum.
Skill is refined over decades. Presentation reflects precision.
From stillness to motion.
This is more than a machine. It is motion perfected. Innovation never stops evolving.
Say, the tempted with bots starting on. Excellence is never built alone.
Driven by passion. Defined by precision.
Performance demands preparation.
Speed builds effortlessly. Speed builds effortlessly.
Engineered for explosive acceleration.
Stability at the edge of speed.
Lightweight strength conquers gravity.
Performance connects people.
Performance with responsibility.